Hello, in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi 7A and I'm gonna show you how to optimize this device. Let's start by opening the security app by tapping the icon right here. Now let's wait until it's done scanning. And here tap on optimize. And as you can see, it's done, and that's how you optimize your device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.